Assalamu alaikum, Junaid. Let me brief you about organs today.
I'm excited.
So, skeleton made of bones. You see they're breaking down because if there are no muscles, they will break. Look at these muscles. Bones support muscles and skill, and they hold the bones together. Skull, did you see it? The brain lies in it, gives you thinking power. This is your chest. In the front and middle of chest is your heart. It gives blood to all parts of body. Lungs. This gives you oxygen. Look, it's breathing in and out. And this is your tummy, little tummy. That is your stomach, which collects food for digestion. Now look at your entire body. There's brain in the skull, there's heart, and there's lungs and tummy.
Thank you, sir, for teaching me these body organs.